Hi guys, Sarah here. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of one of my new Diamond Art Club canvases, but first I just wanted to show you guys what my plan for storing the finished one for now, since I'm probably not gonna get a chance to go out and get a frame right away. I did keep the plastic bags that the canvases came in, so I have rolled it up, diamonds facing out, and I still have the box also, the same box that they came in. And I am just going to put it back into the box, and that way it is stored without getting my wonderful cat fur all over it, any dust or dirt, and it's not going to get damaged or anything. So that's how I'm going to store the completed diamond painting. And I decided with the 3 new ones that I got, I pulled one out because I wanted to look at it right away, and I thought I should do unboxings, but I will do 3 separate unboxings for you. So the first one, I've already taken it out of the box because of course I wanted to see it, is the Himeji Castle by Sean Pavone. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a round kit, 83 by 55. Of course, you get step-by-step instructions in there if you need them. I don't need them. You get your little sticker, which instead of putting them on the boxes, I'm putting them in my logbook. So that's how I'm keeping track of when I purchased them and when I finished them. And then you also get the super large sticker. There you go. See it without the glare. And I did, when I did Alice, I did cut these up and use them on my containers to kit out the diamond painting. So not sure what I'm going to do with these big stickers, but I'm not going to throw them out right now. I'm going to hang on to them. Yeah, so it looks super pretty. All of the cherry blossoms and the castle, the little boat with, there's actually people in it, and the bridge. So the reason why I'm doing this right away is because I showed this one to Madison and she decided that she wants to do this one. So it's being stolen from me. We have the round diamond painting kit. I'll just show you guys quick. I know you've seen them a million times, but for those of you that are new, you get a couple of baggies, like not enough. You get the squishy, a blue pen, 2 heart-shaped wax, and a clear tray with a funnel. So that is your kit, and it's round, so there's no tweezers in the round kit. Shove those back in there. And the drills are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to show you the canvas first. It is huge and so sparkly. I really wish that you guys could see the sparkle, because the sparkle is just amazing. So unfortunately this is so big it's not going to fit the entire thing in the camera, and I'm holding it at an angle so we don't get a glare, but there you can see the bridge going across, our boat, and all of the beautiful cherry blossoms, which are just gorgeous. Super sparkly. I really wish that you guys could see the sparkle. But the drill field looks really nice. Ooh. Man, scary. Don't want that to happen again. So she's asked me to section it off with the washi tape for her, because that part she hasn't done before. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to do 2 strips, one here and one here, just down the middle, and then section them off. I'm not sure what size she kind of wants, but I'm thinking 3, 4, 5, so 15 squares. And I'm sure she will get this done fast. She, the last one that she did was really big, and she got it done super fast. So I might be like a little sad that she's doing it, but I have others, so I'm not gonna complain. I got a big air bubble in there now. All right, so let me flip this over. So we have a blank canvas here for the drills. It is labeled in case you store them separately. There's 2 AB colors, and they jumped out like, oh, so beautiful. I want to show you guys, but I'm gonna wait. Wait, is there 2 AB colors or 3? I see 3. I thought it was anything under 150. Oh, 137 is down at the bottom. Okay, so here is, actually it's probably easier to show you guys the same legend. We have 128, 134, so a pink, a green, and then down at the bottom 137, which is a blue. So we have 3 AB colors. Awesome. All right, these colors are beautiful. Start off with the white. This 775, oh, I love it. It's like a beautiful mint. Gorgeous. 2 packages of 9 through 8, 3860, 2 of 3371. So lots of browns for probably the branches and some of the leaves and stuff. 2898. Here is our pink AB. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god, it's like baby pink. Oh, I just want to steal this package. That's going to be so beautiful on all those pink flowers. Got some more browns, taupes, there's green, blue, beautiful fuchsia. And then more brown. Oh, let's go over here. 3608. There's 2 packages of 3608 and 2 packages of 3609. Ever so slight difference in color. Yeah, that's probably easier to see that way. That is going to be gorgeous. Oh, and a huge thing of 3607. 2 more browns. And here's the small accent colors. So we have like a Kelly green. Here's our green AB. See it just sparkle. Some others. Just little accent colors. I'm sure that's like on the bridge. That beautiful lime green. Some beiges, super lime, and then this, oh my god, beautiful. Look at that blue sparkle, the AB. And sorry, I keep forgetting to say, if anyone new doesn't know AB, it's Aurora Borealis, and that is the iridescent coating that is on top of those drills that makes them super, super sparkly. Just reflects so much more light and so much more color. So that is Himeji Castle. Check it out. I will give you guys the link down below for Diamond Art Club and this painting. We're gonna focus. You think we're focused? Maybe I'm not focused. So pretty. All right, guys. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye. So just thought I would add on the end here, my daughter's setup. She pretty much stole this diamond painting really fast from me. She also stole my pen. Sorry about the lighting. We just have like regular lighting here in her bedroom. This is just her desk for schoolwork. So, and I apologize right now because you're gonna see a shadow from me because of the light being behind me. So she has kitted everything up all by herself into the Craftmate lockables. So there they all are with the extras, the duplicates, because you can fit one big package into these containers. And then she has gotten pretty far. I want to say it's been 2 nights worth. And she's completed this part over. And then there's just some colors that she needs to fill in here. I did section it off for her with washi tape. So she just cuts along the washi to get like a little square section to work, and then works that section and moves along to the next one. And I wonder if you can see the sparkle better here than in my craft room. Trying to find, I know she did right up in here. See, there's 2 beside each other, and then those 2 opposite. Those are the AB pinks. They are so pretty. And there's some AB green in there too. Beautiful. I think it's going to be gorgeous. So that is where she's at so far. Cover this back up for her. Make it look like I was never here. Don't tell her I was never in her room. All right, enjoy.